Paddle OCR is a must-try OCR model to extract text from your images. Let's go over how to do it in Python. If you're new to my channel, I have a website at kevinwoodrobotics.com where I have a bunch of resources on robotics and computer vision. So check it out and subscribe to learn more. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and pip install the Paddle OCR and Paddle. And then here you're going to see that I'm going to be using this test image of the car. We're going to be reading the license plate here. Okay, so the code is very simple. Go ahead and do the from Paddle OCR import Paddle OCR. We're going to call the Paddle OCR and then save that to OCR. We have our test image here. We're going to pass it into our OCR.OCR and then we'll get the results. So to access the word and confidence score, we're going to go ahead and use the third index of result here. So you can see that we've detected the INA7021 with a confidence score of 0.9. And to get the box coordinates, we're going to change the third index to be 0 now. And you can see these are our XY coordinates for the 4 points of the box. So now if you want to access a different word, go ahead and modify the second index here. Now we're going from a 1 to 0. So the best way to figure out if this model works for you is to try it on your own. So go ahead and check it out and see if it works. So if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.